Good morning, sweet lighters. It's your girl Lou, and we are in the garden this morning for a quick how things are going. And I'm going to also be doing some of my compost tea fertilization this morning because it's going to be a busy time for me after the next couple of days. Kohlrabi update. Gonna have to space them out soon. We have cabbage coming up as well. And kale coming up. This is the beet. Corn's coming along nicely. This is arugula. This is the bell pepper. Sugar snap peas, I need to trellis them because they're already throwing out vines. And I hope that's some Marconi pepper. Morning from the garden. That's the kohlrabi. Holding steady. I'm going to thin them out today. We have cabbage over there. Not much action from the carrots again. I don't know. Maybe it's a bad batch of seeds for the carrots. We have more cabbage. And I don't know. We had some heavy rain, so I think it killed a little bit of kale action that I had going on. But we have beets. Those are beets. Don't have any more in there. But the kohlrabi is doing really well. So I hope that they're tasty because I'm going to thin them out and put them over there in that area where I had the corn. I took up the corn. So I'm going to leave some in the kohlrabi run and then transfer. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, we've made it to the end of another video. Just a quick garden video to show you the progress of what's going on in the garden over the past couple days. Things are shooting, and repotted some stuff, thinned out some other stuff. So thank you once again for your viewership, your subscriptions, your comments, and your likes. And as we say here at Sweet Light, stay sweet and always walk in light. Peace. So we're going to continue from last week's garden update. I didn't upload it. I said I would just put it all together. So today I plan on thinning out some of that cabbage over there in the back, and the kohlrabi I had thinned out last week. I have a few weeds I need to pull up. Looks like I have some carrots over here. Where are they? Here. Looks like cabbage. I mean carrots. These look like carrots to me. This is the beets. This is the weed. Nothing's going on at all in the kale area. And then these were some of the other kohlrabis that I had thinned out. The greens, I took off the leaves last Sunday. Today is Friday and they're growing back. One head of cabbage still growing strong. I'm thinking this dasheen is ready to go. I see the leaves are starting to yellow on it. So we might harvest our first dasheen today. Those are garlic. These are garlic here. Working on my camera skills, guys, so bear with me. You know, the bananas and the plantains. Don't know which is which right now because I got 2 and 2 from my friend Pika. Big up yourself, Pika. He's also the person that helped me build the rabbit hutch. That's a mandarin. There was a worm this morning on the corn. Got rid of it. I'm going to spray it down with some garlic. The biggest moringa bush is still doing well. Looks like I have worm droppings in there. I need to see. That looks like an actual worm is in there. Yep. Can you see it? There's a worm in there. So let's stop right now and get rid of it. I'm also going to put some of my compost tea on them and yeah, just water everything in really good. We were having a lot of rain and then it stopped raining and now it's barely raining again. But look at this beautiful view of Mount Laimiga, guys. Camera does not do it justice. But it's a beautiful day here in the Federation of St. Christopher and Nevis, aka St. Kitts and Nevis. So we're gonna get everything started. So stay tuned, guys. working on the beets, kohlrabi, cabbage, and the carrots. That looks like all we're gonna have, is there's no signs of any kale. Hey guys, we've come to the end of another video in the garden, and I'll probably give you an update in 2 weeks because there's not really much going on yet. I was not successful in harvesting the dasheen. It's not ready, so we'll try that again. Trial and error. Nothing beats a failure but a try. Look at the beautiful sky behind me. So I'm going to leave you all, as usual, with 2 things. Stay sweet and walk in light. And here's some views of what I did today in the garden. Watering the sorrel. So we have the cabbage, the kohlrabi, and the beets. Everything's fed and watered in. Long from the garden. See you all in 2 weeks. Thank you for joining me. Once again, my name is Nuru, and this is Sweet Light, where we wish to highlight the great things going on in sweet Sugar City, St. Kitts, and we bring to light some much needed help in the community, because giving back is another way to give thanks. Thankful for all 81 subscribers as of this morning, and I wish you all peace, love, prosperity, health, unity, and togetherness going into 2025. Once again, my name is Nuru, and thank you all for joining me.